Let's review how to use the Payor page on Toolkit.law. Select the Tools section and then the Payor page. Here, you get access to utilities such as credit card payments, currency conversion, and checkbook balance/statement balance calculators. These tools are designed to help users, especially legal professionals using Toolkit.law's wider ecosystem, manage financial transactions and conversions easily. For example, if someone needs to process a payment, convert amounts between currencies, or track a checkbook/balance sheet, these utilities offer a quick way to do that directly online without manual spreadsheets or external apps. In short, the Payor page adds practical financial utility functions to Toolkit.law's toolbox. It complements its other calculators and legal tools by offering payment handling, currency conversion, and basic account balance analysis, giving users a more integrated environment for legal, financial, and transactional tasks all in one place. Every accordion on the Payor page includes buttons to perform quick calculations, clear fields, undo or redo entries, download your results, securely share them, or connect directly to Toolkit.law's productivity suite. This makes it easy to integrate your financial work into case documents, client reports, or billing workflows without leaving your browser. And that is how you use the Payor page on Toolkit.law.